Master pages. So master page is one of the concept in ASP.NET which is used to provide or which is used to implement a consistent designs in an web-based applications. Which means that, so for example, I want to develop a website. Okay, my website contains 100 number of pages. So in order to develop a hundred number of pages, if we go with an approach of master pages, we can go with the 4 to 5 layout pages. By using that 4 to 5, so it is easy to develop the rest of 96 pages. Why? Because we have some consistent design. Like we have some header section, we have a left side section, right side section, and footer section. This is the structure of our page. Consider. So only the inner content, means inside content, whatever we have, that will be changes so frequently for every page to page. So in order to go with these designs, if we divide or if we create our website into 4 layout or 2 layout or 1 layout according to our requirement, then automatically rest of the pages we can achieve with master pages. I will show you one example, like one page example, so that we can understand. Uh, this is one page, okay, one website in which we have some header section and we have some footer section. This is our footer section and this is our content section. Middle is our content section. I would like to go with one of the page like inception and something brief history. Okay, only this content part is changing. You can observe. Only this content part will be changes. So no other part will be, you know, uh, changed. So this header and footer is remains the same. Only this content part is changed from page to page. Okay, suppose you can go with some other, or if you go with some other pages. So here also our content part will be different. So in contact us, so here also our content part will be different. Okay, header and footer things are there here. So likewise, if you observe this web page contains almost 80-90 pages, out of which I took 2 to 3 master pages. Means because home page is something different. For that reason, I used home page here itself. And these are the content pages. Every content page is similar to that. Only the content is changing for each and every one. If you want to develop 100 or 90 pages, it is very difficult. In other programming languages, in ancient technologies, it is very difficult to go with each and every, means productivity time is unnecessarily wasting because structure of website is same, only the content is going to be changes. So in order to change our content, why we are go with 90 100 pages. So instead of that, we'll declare our content, our basic structure in master page, and that master page will keep on added to the remaining pages, so that automatically we no need to write the styles for each and every page. Whatever the style is there for master page, that styles will be applied to our child pages, so that it improves our development cost. So irrespective of spending more design time on each and every page, so our website ready is within a short span of time whenever we depend on the master pages concept. Master is nothing but it's a parent page. So by using content pages, we can attach our master page layout or we can attach our master page styles in our applications. Okay, that is the use of our master page. You got my point? Hello.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Okay. So now let us see. what is whenever we are using a master page designs, you will find consistent design. So every page follows the same consistent design provides a good look and good feel. So whenever we are accessing a website, if some one page is in different way, another page is in different way, means then automatically so consistency will lag there. So automatically our application, our web page shouldn't look good. So that in order to encourage a consistent designs, we'll go with the master page concept. So now some of the description related to the master pages. ASP.NET Master Page allows you to create a consistent layout for the pages in our application. A single master page defines a look and feel and the standard behavior that you want for all the pages in our application. You can then create individual content pages that contain the content you want to display. When user requests the content pages, they merge with the master page to produce output that combines the layout of the master page with the content from the content page. What does it mean? Means, say for example, I have a request from the client stating that add one more page. My page contains this. This is the information. So at this point of time, we developed all our website. There is no struggle for this. Just we create, we will add a new item. So select our master page layout, which layout is we are using for that, and automatically whatever the content they provided, we will copy paste that content within a within a minutes we can develop and we can upload our website without any hurdles. Okay, when you go with a master page concept. Otherwise, we can check if you are not going with master page, we can check each and every design whether that fonts are correct or styles are correct. Everything we have to ensure. So scripting is correct or not. Any wrong with this, like that, it takes so much of time to develop a single web page. Okay. So this website is developed by me. If I want to, if they have a request, so I can, process all this request within a, within a minutes itself. So within a fraction of seconds, even in fraction of seconds also I can do this website. So if we have a new implementations or new changes, whatever we have. Okay. So this is the most advantageous uses with master pages. Master is nothing but a background layout, and the content page is nothing but, see, this is our content page, browser.aspx. Suppose we have a department. So here CSCUG. This is one of the child page. So likewise, this is one of the child page. Like these are the child pages that we have. So this is the one which master page we can't run directly. You can rather it supports our application or it supports our web page implementation. Okay, these are all the child pages. Okay, see, whenever we work with the web forms, web form extension is .aspx. We already seen that web form extension is .aspx. But whenever we are dealing with master page extension is .master. Okay, we cannot access master page directly, so rather than it can support our child pages, or it will support our content pages internally in our application only. If you are trying to run a master page directly, it won't run. It gives an error. You can't run master pages directly. In master pages, we have a content either inside content placeholder or outside it. Only content inside content placeholder can be customized in the content page. In master page, so whenever we are working with the master pages, this is a common thing for each and every page. This header section is common for each and every page, right? This footer section is also common for each and every web page. This footer section is also common for each and every page. Like that, I create one master page. So header and footer. This part, this content is changes according to the page to page, right? This I will place it in content placeholder tag. We have one tag that is nothing but content placeholder tag. In master pages, I create one content placeholder. I just left with empty. Why I left with empty means, if you have a, like, if you are adding multiple pages, again I would like to add new item, and if I select a master page, so that in content placeholder I can write my own content. So in A page I can write content related to A. In B page I can write a content related to B in content placeholder. Okay, that is the concept. So in master page, whatever we are providing, that will be displayed for us. In content placeholder, we won't create general, we won't create anything generally. That is reserved for our child pages. Whatever the things that is required at child level, that will be placed at in content placeholder. Okay, so we have a tag called that is content placeholder, that is used for adding a content in our content pages. We can have multiple masters in one web application, so that can be possible. We can place it, say for example, home structure may be different. Okay, suppose home structure may be different, I can use this home structure. Say for example, I would like to open one more website. This is also like one of the web page, so where I can show you. See, you can observe, say, about GVRS. Here, you can observe we have a left side section and right side section, right? That you can observe clearly. So you can observe gallery page. There is no left side and right side section. Only full content will be occupied. Means this is referring from one master page, that is referred from another master page. So consider this is a program.aspx. This is also referring from same master page. Consider departments. Here see, only left side section will be there, right side section is not there. Okay, so means this is different. This is a different page. So likewise, so this is a different master page. So go to training and placement. Here there is no left side. Only right side part will be there. Okay, this is different from different master page. Okay, likewise, your web application contains a multiple number of master pages. So these master pages are dealt according to our requirement. Okay, so don't mean that only your application contains a single master page. Okay, you can have multiple number of master page. Whatever the master page is apt for your requirement, that you can select and you can develop your content information, content pages. A master page can have another master page as a master to it. So this can be a possible if you want to develop a master page. If your master page want to get the design from existing another master page, that can also possible. Okay, means master within a master. You can call it as a nested master. The content can be placed only inside the content tag. So we already discussed that content tag is nothing but content placeholder tag. Controls of master page can be programmed in the master page and content page, but a content page control will never be programmed in master page. Means, say for example, if we have a control, any controls in a master page, then those controls coding related all the things will be done in master page level. If you have a controls in your child pages, so those levels of controls, those levels of implementation done in child page. So we cannot access child level pages controls in master page, and we can do the programming. Every page controls can be done in the respective pages only. A master page of one web application cannot be used in another web application. I have two websites. My websites are A, B. I can't refer my A website master pages into B. If you want to just cut it and copy, or if you want, just copy it and paste it, that's it. We can't access that A website information into B in our application implementation. That can't be possible. Master page file property of a web form can be set dynamically, and it should be done either in the form of page pre-init events from the browser. Master page.file equal to master page.master. The dynamically set master page must have content placeholder whose content has been customized in the form. See, master page will be created or set dynamically in the page pre-init event. We already seen the sp.page life cycle events, right? In which in pre-init event our master pages can be set dynamically. Okay, the order in which events are loaded is, so first page event, and in load master page will be there, load complete page will be load, and automatically whatever the events that are required in our coding, all that will be raised here itself. Page load is the name of the method for event for load event of master, in which our master page will be loaded completely in page load event. This is the basic information related to the master page. We will see advantages once we are done with couple of implementations with master page. So I would like to open my Visual Studio. This is for creating a web applications, right? So our template is go to file, new, website. Okay, new website. Just you can take sp.net empty website. I'll change my page name master ex. This is our solution explorer. This is the way how web-based applications interface looks like, which is as similar to our previous applications only. This is our website. Just right click on your website, add new item. We have web form on different pages now. Click on master page. Okay, your master page extension is .master. So just you can change the name whatever you want. Main.master. Give any name, no issues. So now
So the navigation bar, it always goes on the master page.
it
The
depends upon,
navigation bar.
it depends upon our requirement.
Okay, and then the website that you created, is that web responsive? It's like with the bootstrap.
No, that's what I'm telling. First we'll go with CSS and then we'll go
Okay.
with the Bootstrap. So till
Okay.
end of this week we are going to continue with creation of different types of styles and all the things which are related to web page.
Okay.
So this is the section, this is the part for master page. When you observe each and every page, directive should be with page directive, but here directive should be with master because this is a master page. Okay, so just remove content placeholder which is available in head section. You have a two content placeholders. One is at body section. This is our body section. So another is at a head section. Try to remove your head section content placeholder, which is not at all required for us. I removed this one. Now give one of the title for this. First web application. Give some kind of title, whatever you require. So now I want to develop one of the web page, which is, see, I want you know some header section, okay, some footer section, and we have some content section. That is my just requirement. in which I want to develop a website. Okay. So this content placeholder tag is there now. Just we can keep content placeholder tag aside for time being. We don't want to disturb that one. So first I want here I want some logo, here I want some title, and left side I want something. So in right side I want something. Like that I have some requirement, right? So just first time being I would like to go with the table implementation. I would like to take a table. Table is a tag in which we have a rows, right? TRTD. So this is your table row and this is your table D. So I want to split this section into three TDs. This is one division and middle is one division and last is one division. Likewise, I want to differentiate. So now TD. So this division, I want to place, a kind of image or kind of logo. So in TD, in next TD, I want to display some text itself. .NET. So in 3D, I want to take some more information which is related to our contact. Okay, just go to the design and you can visualize how it looks like something. There is no styles at applied V, so I want to take a logo right here. So here, if you want to play some images, go to your Solution Explorer and try to add new folder and give the name of the folder as images. Means all your images will paste here. Okay, I want to get a few images. I copied one image. I just want to paste that image here. IMG logo source. Image content from source or we'll have image URL equal pick URL wherever you want. So this is I want to display this as my image URL. Image align equal to, so left side I want to align. Just I will close the image tag. So and we have to use runner equal to server because this is we have to use this runner equal to server tag because these are the server tags. Okay. So now I want to give width. So width for each and every page. So I want to give width as I would like to split my left side and right side section with 20%, 20%. Total consider total is 100% of width. This is 20 and I would like to make this as a 20 and rest of the thing is 40. Sorry, 60. So 20 plus 60 plus 20 it is equal to 100. So likewise I want to give this as a 20%. Another is 20 and this is a 60. Means I want to split my widths accordingly. See, so my widths are splitted. So here I want to give my table width equal to 100% and I want to give alignment is also to center. So now check. So I want to extend my width, right? So here you can extend your height. You can change your height also, so that automatically that height and width are coming for that logo. Okay, here one more thing that I want to do, I want to give some kind of styles for here. So through CSS we can handle this thing. For time being, just we can go with the design only. So now this is okay, and I have some kind of header, some kind of a menu is required for us. Okay? In order to portrait a menu, I want to take one more table tag. This is my table tag. So here I would like to consider I have 5 number of menus which are available for me. Okay. So that what I want to do is TD width. So 20%, 20% like equally. I would like to provide 5 TDs. So here I want to take anchor tag h reference equal to, so home. This is my home. Similarly, I would like to take 5 TD tags. Home, and last is contact us. Next is about us. Next is services. Next is sitemap. We'll see the concept of a sitemap also in this page. So I want to remove this one. So this, and I would like to take one more page. Contact us, sitemap. Okay, that's it. One, two, three, four, five. Totally, I have a 5 menus here. I have. So when I click on this, particularly, I want to navigate to that page. Okay. So first understand the design. Then we'll see how to apply the styles for this one. And now here I want to take left side and right side some space, and middle section I want to provide some data. Okay. So for this I want to take one more table. We will provide H reference information once we ready with our table, once we ready with our pages. Okay, first I am creating a basic structure, then we'll see. So here also I want to take TD, whose width is, so I want left side width as 20% and right side width as 20%. So, and rest of the middle content will be of 60%. Here I would like to take some right side space. So like website to website, requirement to requirement, we can change as per the user interest. So TD width equal to 20% and TD width equal to 60%. So here I would like to provide a kind of history tag, latest updates. And here also I want to apply university updates. Means here I want to display latest updates related to us, and we want to display something information related to university. Okay, this is our, this section will be changes from page to page. Means here, if any part is like, changes according to the page to page, that information we will place in content placeholder. Now I'm going to cut my content placeholder. My content placeholder is available here, right? Just I want to get my content placeholder in TD. I'll place in middle TD. Okay, this pages changes according to page. Okay, this part. Now I want to take footer section. So for every page we have some footer section, right? So this is the footer section. I want to take a footer section here. Here only one TD, or else we'll take two TDs. So every TD is occupied with 50% because only we have two TDs, and we'll check an alignment. One first TD align with left, we'll make it to left alignment, and next TD will make it to right alignment. So this is your left and this is your right. So just just you want to give some. See here you have some, generally in any of the websites you might received any of the copyright tag, right? So in order to portrait copyright tag, just you can use copy and symbol with copy, and automatically you will get a copyright symbol here. Okay, so here in right part also, so if you want registered, so generally we have R symbol 2000, so learn to 2000, like we have some register tag. So you will get, if you want that registered, just use and symbol and reg semicolon. For copy like this you can make use. Now your basic template page will be ready for us. Okay, so now we want to apply, this is okay. Now we want to apply different kinds of design so that we can make it a feel good page whenever somebody is accessing. Now each and every development is done in our .NET page only. So in order to provide, effective designs or effective styles, we would like to depend on style sheets. Okay, so now we'll see how we are going to work with style sheets. So your style sheets will apply inline styles and as well as external styles. Inline means internally, suppose I want to apply some kind of style for this tag. I would like to take style, okay, font weight, or else font family. I would like to take font family. Suppose what are the font family I want, I would like to take is, and font size large, because this is a heading. Suppose font weight border. Likewise, if I apply within the tag, that is nothing but inline style sheet. So it is there, and as well as I want to take text align center. Likewise, we can apply our own styles. So I want the color blue. Likewise, we can apply multiple things, in this page itself. So I would like to apply some break tag, and I take I as a tag. This tag is nothing but, so we have a font italic, right? In italic font we'll write some information here itself. So what are the information that is provided within the italic tag? That font, that font will be changed to italic mode. See, so it is changed in italic mode. So I provided some caption type of thing, a platform from technical needs. So likewise, if you want to provide our styles within our tag, we'll make use of a style tag and we'll write here itself. Suppose if you want a style within a style sheet tag, then we can go with an external style sheets. So now we can deal. Good practice is, if we want to use any styles, if the styles will be reusable, we can just call with class property. So class property, and we can provide that class. So if the style will be wants for 5 to 10 places, so writing of this kind of implementation is take too much of time. Instead of that, we can write that tag information in one of the common page. So in that common page we'll have some classes. We can call that classes wherever it is required. So it improves the reusability facility instead of writing a same tags wherever we required. Okay, so generally in our application structure, if you want to deal with style sheets, so we can create one new folder. So here I would like to name it as styles, or you can give style sheets. Why we are giving all in folders means, so directory structure should be clear and precise, so that a new person is also came to our application, then they get to know, okay, where is the page and what are the contents are available, all the things they'll get to know. Now if I want to take a style sheet, just right click on this particular folder and click on add new item. In this you can find a style sheet here. So style sheet is nothing but your CSS page, that is cascading style sheet. Extension will be .css. This is your style sheet. Okay, give what are the name that you want. I give it as main theme .css. Click on it. So it contains by defaultly the body. So we can write our own classes here itself. Suppose I want a dot and a, this is my class. B, this is my class. Likewise, I want to take all our classes. So like A, B, C, like that we have classes. We can declare how many classes that we want. Okay. So now I want to apply styles. I want to apply styles for each and every portion, right? So all those portion styles I would like to take here. I would like to declare here, and then I can check how it is, how it looks like, and all those things. So here we have two sections, right? So image is occupied, okay. Here this one section, and this is another section. So we want to provide decent styles for this sections itself. So I want to take first style, you know, that is for a header, right? No? So header middle. Just I would like to take. You can take any name, but is that name should be meaningful and contextful. That you can remember. So instead of applying that local things here, just I can copy and I can paste here. So and then I want to apply some background color. So you have different styles of colors. Click on hash, so you'll get a different kinds or kind of colors that you want. So all are reflected here. Whatever the color that you want to select. So all these things are reflected here. Just select one, whatever the one which is apt for you. So automatically this is the code for that color. Okay. So now let us check. This is my header middle, right? So I want to apply for my header, use dot. Okay, I will tell you what is dot header, right? So this part also I want to provide some good kind of information. So here header, right? So just I want to take color blue and font family. I want to take Arial, font size. So we won't require that much big font as middle. So I'll take it as a small. Font weight bold. Text align center center. Next text transform lowercase. Likewise I took this. So these are the different styles that this can you can understand whenever we are keep on practicing. Okay. So what does this dot means, say for example, if we are not using any dot in before of your class, this we can call it as a class. So here in body there is no class, means if there is no class, if there is no dot before body, means it indicates that body is a tag. Whatever the styles that we declared, all the styles will be applied to body without any external calling of our CSS. Suppose I have an h1 tag, I want to apply. I have 10 H1 tags in our application. I want to apply some styles for H1 tag. No need to write dot because that is a predefined tag. So you can write like H1 and write whatever the style that you want. Means for predefined tags, you no need to write dot. Okay, so automatically that will be applied anything. Say for example we have some h1 or h2 tags, right? So h2 tags looks like this. Means suppose if I use h2 tag here, suppose just I want to apply color tag, that's it. Color, I want to make it as green. Consider my color is in green. So I want to take my master page here. I will check. I'll show you like how this will be applied by default. So in this way we will write our things, right? So simply now we have to add our master page. Our style page is independently dealing now. I want to add my style page in our master pages so that then only my CSS styles are going to apply to my master page. So now every master page in any of the HTML pages or wherever you deal with any of the programming languages, in your head section only you can place your script tags and as well as style tags. Okay, this is your head section, right? Just I want to take my style page. So just simply drag and drop here. Automatically that will become. So now go to your design. Automatically your H2 will be changed to green color. Okay, the style will be updated by defaultly. Now what you have to do is, so now wherever you want to apply some classes, so here I create one class, right? So just go to class, right, class, and class. Here two classes are available. We created two classes in CSS, right? All classes are available. So for this header middle is a class. Similarly, I have a class, header right as a class. Go to the design and automatically that will be applied here. Okay, suppose if I here also I want to apply a background color. Automatically that background color is applied here itself. So in such a way we are using our external style sheet and we are referring in our applications. Likewise, wherever you want a classes, all classes you can declare style classes. All classes you can declare in style sheet and just call or just use wherever you want. Okay, now I want to apply for rest of the things also. Like you have a menu, right? Here menu I want to apply something. So for all anchor tags which are available here, so menu is developed with anchor tag, no? So just I want to apply all anchor tags, one common thing. See, for every menu here you can see underscore is coming here, right? So home underscore something, all these things that I want to change first. First text align, I would like to make it to center, and we have text decoration. So text decoration we have some kind dotted overline or something. I don't want any decoration. So just you can check your master page. See, all your underscore tags will be removed. Next, text transform. Capitalize. I want to make it as capitalize. Uppercase will check. Next, font weight. Bold. Bolder, we can make it. Bolder means more thick color. When we are, see, generally whenever we are coming to this at the running of our application, just when you make a cursor, that is nothing but hover. Okay, at the time of moving our cursor, so generally in any of the pages, so hover color should be something different. So if you want that hover color is different, you can give it here. A hover means whenever you are hover on the anchor tag, so then again you will get some different color if you want. So color, you can make it as a suppose green. This feature we can check whenever we are running of our application only. Next. Here you can check all your data will be aligned at left side only. So here I want to take sorry TD. I want to make text align center. So automatically for all the TDs, whatever the data that is there, see here also earlier that will be there in left side. So now it comes to center. Likewise you can check. For all the TDs, we want some consistent color throughout our application. So that what we have to do is TD background color. Suppose see any of the website, if client is showing I want this color or something, you can go to inspect element. Inspect element means click F12. Click F12. Place wherever the client is looking. So this color they want, say for example. So here we have some colors or some information is available for us. So just this is the section where we have our information. Just check here. Here we have some color. It's a background color. We got this color. Simply copy this and paste here. Suppose if client is telling this color is good or something, you can go to the website and check the references and you can apply wherever you want. See, all my TDs are applied, with background color with some different colors. Okay, so this is background color. Suppose if you want all our TDs information will be in some of the different color. Okay, text information. So color, so I want to make it as white. You can check all TDs information. You can check sorry. Text color. Color white. Let me check. Like at the time of running, we will check. Okay, consider this is the page which we developed. Okay, we will apply for rest of the pages also. So consider this is the page that we developed. Okay, this is called master page. If you are trying to run your master page, so click on OK. So generally I already told you, master page is not runnable page, whether it is supportable page. You will get one error, forbidden error, because this kind of pages that we can't, like, web application is not allowing to run. So now how can we check the output? So like, this is the process of checking the output. Just you can create one page, one child page. So add, I want to click here, just go to web forms, take one web form .aspx form. Just you can create home.aspx page. Okay, click on select master page and click add. So here, if you have multiple master pages, all master pages are listed here. Here I have only one master page. Click on OK. Automatically, you will get some tag, that is nothing but page tag, and here you have some content. This is nothing but your content placeholder. So just you can write, this is my home page. Okay. Just go to the design of this page. Go to the design of the page. All design come, so our data will be in white color, right? All design come, our data will be in white color. So here, what is the thing that you observed here is, we no need to check whether this is okay or this is correct or not, something like, because we already been developed, we already been designed here itself. If you want any changes, you can make a changes here, so that automatically it will be applied in our child pages. This is now, it is your child page. Just you can execute this page, run this page. See, so your web page, if you have a more content, then it will be like, stretched to down. So likewise, we can develop our pages. This is nothing but your child page. So a common design. So every page you have to change this content from page to page. So about us page, this may be different. For services page, this may be different. So likewise, from page to page, it would be different. And everywhere the design should be consistent, and we can make use. You got my point? What is the essence of master page, and what is the use of the concepts of master page?
So where you put that this is my homepage, that's the child page? Which one is the child page? I missed that.
Home.aspx is our child page. We created one page, right? So just right
Right.
click, add new item. This is nothing but your child page. Means at
Okay.
the time of creating, we are checking that master page checkbox, right? Add master
Right.
page. So automatically this page is referring from your master page. So master page file in your page directory tag, you have master page file. You are referring from
Okay.
main.master. Okay, likewise,
Okay.
you can create 100 pages or 200 pages, whatever the content that you have. Uh, all the content pages, you simply copy paste the content for each and every page. You no need to bother about header section, footer section. If they provided a changes in header or footer, you can simply go with your master page and you can provide your own changes. Then automatically all changes are applicable for your child pages. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, so I want to, provide. If I use like this means important. Okay, this is nothing but, this means that important. Suppose for this TD earlier what we have this will be in blue color, right, in TD. So whenever we are using imported means that existing here in header middle, I provided my color as blue. Okay, obviously it will comes as a blue, but in TD this section is belongs to TD, right? In TD, what are the things that we have, all should I need to change with some color, so white color. So if you are using without important, earlier it will be like in blue color. Now when I use important, then it will be overridden with white color. If you want to override your style, even though you have existing style, then use important this attribute. So now, so this is a home page. This is like displayed in something in blue color, right? I want to change this one. Go to anchor tag, and you can provide the color as white. You can check. Simply, if you want to make a change, then automatically that will be reflected here. So here, if you are applying here something, it will gives cursor symbol, and automatically it is going. We are not giving any link pages here. So just we'll go with and we'll provide that link page. So hover, at the time of hover, we are using green, right? So for this, I would like to use red because green is not coming visualizing properly. So likewise, I can make a changes. So for this latest updates, I want to take content left section. So text line is not required. So for this, we already had, I think we already had some kind of styles like H2. We already applied something. So if we want to change anything in H2, we can change. Suppose. So next, here I want to provide some kind of scrolling things. I want to provide a scrolling thing. So here we have a marquee tag. Marquee is one of the tag which is going to provide a scrolling. Okay. So in marquee tag we have a ordered list which I have a list of items. Okay. So ASP.NET MVC practical sessions are commencing soon. First time we next introduction and classes announced. Bootstrap integration and usability with ASP.NET. So likewise, I provided some kind of points here itself. So go to your home page. So some kind of scrolling is coming here itself. Just I want the direction. So here we have a direction tag. Suppose I want the direction as to top. So when you made a changes in your in our master pages, not this is up, automatically that will be reflected in our child pages. Okay, so you can make on hover equal to this dot stop. So this, so if you have a JavaScript like that, I will provide you. So whenever you are hovering, that will be stopped here itself. Okay, and we can set slow time or fast time, that what we want. Okay, for all these styles, for all these list item is li is a tag, right, for all these list items. So if I want some kind of styles, so that I can provide here, font family, that agency B. So like a different kind of font form, that will be applied here itself. Okay, and next, color. So you can go with your transparency color according to your background. I think color is not at all good. So just with white only, I think it was good. So you have that H1 H tag. So there you want some kind of background. So you can apply background color with some kind of so red color, some kind of strip. So if you want borders also you can apply border dash or dot or something. So you can apply some kind of borders like this. So likewise, what are the styles that you want, you can apply here. And the same design, just I want to provide this mark implementation here in this place also. Here also you can write whatever the things that you want, just you can reload. Okay, so in this way, like we can apply styles. Tomorrow we'll see a few other styles. We'll continue with this implementation.